So the next piece, and this is the part that's really important for whenever you're working out, if you got to lift something, carry something, anytime you're physically active, is how we use our core. So most of the time we think about like trying to suck in our stomachs or bear down, kind of like we're making a six pack. And that's really good if we're doing like one singular deadlift, but I can't, or you can't do that if I said, pick up this weight, walk across the room, or, doing pull-ups, or, anything basically in burn boot camp. So what I want you to think about with this is we're doing the exact opposite of sucking in, and I want you to try and push your stomach muscles out. So same idea of front, sides, and back, but you're going to push your stomach muscles out, and then the tricky part is you're going to hold that out and still maintain your breath. And that's the hard part with this, is still keeping this pushed out and learning how to breathe with this pushed out. But this is actually the best way to help stabilize your spine. So what we're doing with this, back to our anatomy with the diaphragm, abdominal wall, and pelvic floor. When we have everything pushed out, think of like a solid, pop or beer can before you open it, how solid and sturdy that is. That's essentially what we're creating in our core and around our spine when we have everything pushed out there. So I'll have you work on that here. So yep, you're doing the exact opposite of sucking in. And when you start here, it's actually easier to tie it as you breathe in. So as you breathe in, try to push everything out, but then keep that pushed out and still breathe for me.